Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw an avocado while we learn Spanish. The avocado is a pear-shaped fruit, so let's get to it. Let's draw a little leaf. Leaf in Spanish is hoja. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. This is its seed. That is said, SEMILLA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say avocado in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use a darker green, which in Spanish is VERDE OSCURO. Now we use light green. That is said, VERDE CLARO. Let's see if you know the answer. Avocado in Spanish is AGUACATE. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.